guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. So in today's video, you are looking at passing chord. Okay, I have this announcement to make. Okay, if you are not a subscriber, if you pull any request, I'm not going to break it down. And also, if you are not somebody that frequently comment on my videos, I'm not going to break down any song from you. Okay, so kindly take note of these particular things that I just listed. Okay, so without much ado, let's dive into today's lesson. The movement I did was this. So let's check what I'm doing. Let's break it down. Okay, let's say we look at the breakdown, then I'm gonna apply it in a song that everybody knows. Let's check the breakdown. So I'm looking at it from drop 2 kind of point of view. Okay, so like this. Okay, so what is that? That's basically the La. Okay, so drop 2. Okay, so that is C, C sharp, C back, then F, B flat. Okay, then I'm doing this, the E, then the C. Okay, then I'll do this, the B flat chord, the F, B flat, D, the G, the C, and the E. Okay, then I'm doing A, B flat, D, and F. Okay, then I'm doing E, I'm doing the B flat, C sharp, and G. Then I'm doing the C, I'm doing the G. Right hand is doing the B flat, D, F, A. Then okay, then the left hand is doing the B flat and the G. Then right hand is doing the B flat, C sharp, E, F sharp, then B flat. Then I'll do this. Okay, so basically I have the A, F, G. Right hand is doing the C, F, G, C. So one more time in this sequence. So in order to do this particular movement, your hands needs to be flexible and you need to be very fast. Okay, so check my hand placement. Okay, so you can choose to do that or you can choose to do it anyhow you feel comfortable. So like this. Okay, slowly, one more time. Okay, one more time. So we can use it in this particular song. When I remember what the Lord has done, I would never go back anymore. So we can choose to do this particular movement here. When I remember what the Lord has done, I will never go back anymore. When I remember what the Lord has done, I would never go back anymore. I'll show you that particular movement that I just did. That's the only thing I want to show. This particular song, there's a lot of stuff that I can do. If you have watched how the pro think, okay, that's a video that I did. I was showing how I think. That particular video, you could see various passing chords that I was using. I just wanted to show you this particular passing movement that I just did. This. When I remember this cry, you can do this. What the Lord has done, I will never go back. I'm not going to do mad stuff, okay? Join me on another video. I'll see you, okay?